Can I have a, let me have a plate over there.
Oh yeah, this is going on Facebook. $100 bid for G and soda.
I get that for. I can't believe you did that. Y'all still willing to get that?
Soda, you ready? It's been a minute now.
It's been a minute. Let's go. All right. Wait up. Wait, don't touch it.
No, Crocs on now. Go.
He can do whatever he wants. No, you can't pull the meat off.
You got to pull the meat off.
Can't pull it out.
You got to eat it.
Gotta eat it. Can't pull it off. Hey.
You got to eat it.
You gotta eat it
Off
out.
the bone.
Off the bone.
That's cheating, Katona. You got to eat off the bone. There you go. That's how you got to eat off.
That's how you do it. Don't think about it. You gotta get your lips to burn. That's all. Get in there like you're mad at it. I don't want. I can't watch it.
How is it, Tona? Not bad?
Like that now. There you go.
Oh, Tona, you can't do that. You can't take the sauce off.
Can't take the sauce.
You got to take the sauce off.
Hey, no.
You got to eat it.
Breaking the rules, dude.
The sauce is the reason why it's called a challenge.
The sauce is on the napkin. No more of that. All right. Who's got the clock?
I do. I have the clock right here.
So Steve's got it. You gotta get the meat off the bone.
Yep, you got it off the bone. There you go, Tona.
All right, we'll see. You can do it, man. Fuck that.